Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In the last video, I used the rounded corners contour. This time we're going to use the square corners. So these are still broken apart, so the boundary tool will work. We'll hit boundary, we'll nudge it out of the way. Then we're going to open Effects, Contour, and this time we're going to pick square corners, the same 2 inches one time, and look at the difference. Then we can take and go up to Object, Break Contour Apart, and grab the contour. Make it that green like we had before. Kind of looks like a leaf order, back a page, and you get a totally different look. Most of the time you're going to want rounded corners, but that's a pretty cool design in itself. Let's try one more thing while I make this video a little longer. Let's contour it, but this time with beveled corners. Hit apply. Pretty much, you know what? Let's do them side by side. Let's break the contour apart. Move this out of the way. And now let's grab this and use square corners. Go up to Object, Break Contour Apart, or Control K. Not totally a lot of different, if anything. Just, well, it is different. Let's make it red and then put it on top of there. So the chamfered corners make it look a little bit different. Let's tell you what, let's move it there and let's fill that in with gray or green. Fill this one in with blue. And it is a different look where this has, you know, sharp points there where that doesn't have sharp points. This one has, so with the chamfered corners, I believe that the chamfered corners, they call it beveled corners. You're going to get that totally different looking look. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.